Welcome to our 30-day challenge for total body transformation. We're excited to help you crush your fitness goals and reach your full potential. In this video, we'll go over what to expect during the challenge, the benefits of our program, and how to get started. What to expect. Our 30-day challenge is designed to push you out of your comfort zone and help you make lasting changes to your fitness routine. You'll have access to daily workouts, nutrition coaching, and support from our community of like-minded individuals. Each day, you'll receive an email that outlines your workout for the day, along with nutrition tips and guidance to help you stay on track. Our program includes a mix of strength training, cardio, and mobility work that will challenge your body and help you see real results. Transform your body. With a mix of strength training, cardio, and mobility work, you'll see real changes in your physique. Boost your energy. Regular exercise and proper nutrition can help you have more energy throughout the day. Improve your mood. Exercise releases endorphins, which can improve your mood and reduce stress. Develop healthy habits. Our program includes nutrition coaching to help you make healthy meal choices that will support your fitness goals. Join a supportive community. You'll have access to our community of like-minded individuals who are all working towards the same goal. Thanks for watching our video on our 30-day challenge for total body transformation. We believe that anyone can achieve their fitness goals with the right support and guidance. If you're ready to crush your fitness goals and transform your body, sign up for our 30-day challenge today. We can't wait to see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.